It's usually a good sign when the water is boiling, right? I think so. Guess what time it is? It's bright. Maybe looks like towards the end of the day, maybe, or maybe it's just kind of cloudy weather. Well, I'll give you 3 seconds to guess. It's actually midnight. Uh, sun stays up longer over here, and surprisingly, it's not even like really their long sunlight season that starts probably in the next month or so. But yeah, I've been exploring this little geyser area. It's pretty cool. Lots of crazy clear water, and I don't know if you saw the other video. That water is like fluorescent blue. It's so surreal. Definitely recommend visiting if you ever come to Iceland. All right, take care.